Yeah, almost, Hannah just peed on me. I just, off the cuff, wanted to come out, and I saw a bunch of activity up here, so, you know how they have Seal Rock in San Francisco? This is Kid Rock. Or Kid Palette Rock, whatever you want to call it. Thankfully, we have a bunch of healthy kids, really rambunctious, running around. We've had 9 does drop their kids, and we have 1 more to go. We're not quite sure when she's going to drop, but hopefully we pray it'll be safe and healthy. Here's Hannah. Hannah! Never mind. The rest of them are way over there, and their bucks are out in the field there. There's a thundercloud up here. Anyway, I just wanted to videotape the activity. As you can tell, we have a buck that is multicolored, and a lot of his kids take after him. They're really cute, the coloring. That's Rosie on the milking stand there. I think Dave will be doing a blog post about this soon. I love this time of night because they're always running, jumping around, frolicking. It's really fun to watch. There's Mommy eating. I know. Oh yeah. Forgot. We have some stowaways under here. They love being underneath this milking stand and the one inside the goat area. They like to sleep under that at night and have for shade in the daytime. It's like a bunch of definitely a herd mentality. Come on! Catch up! Alright. These are the phlegmatic kids.